Welcome, you're watching DPI Anchor Academy channel where talent is born. In this episode, we will show you an easy way to create tribal pattern on your helmet by using masking tapes. Step 1. Sand the surface using sandpaper grade 400, followed by grade 1000. Ensure there is no more dust or oil on the surface before spray painting. Next, spray primer on the cover set to give a smooth and even paint surface. Allow to dry. Then, spray white as base color. For the tribal design, we decide to use premium gold to give it a more original tribal feel. Leave to dry before sticking on your design. For design, try creating your own with masking tape or find design patterns online. Print and cut out using sticker paper. Spray black on the entire surface and apply marble effect technique for the design to look more stunning. For more information on marble effect technique, watch our previous video on how to create an awesome marble effect. Wait till all are completely dry before removing all stickers masking tape. Finally, spray on top clear for a glossy look, which will also help colors last longer on the surface. There you have it, your very own tribal design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.